Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss K. Today I'm going to be doing a protective style of crochet braids. So I'm starting out with fresh, clean hair. I did do a deep condition on my hair, and so my hair feels really good and moisturized right now. As you can tell, I have my hair in all cornrows just going back. I will say that I was eager to try a different braid pattern. However, the struggle was real. That's all I will say. The struggle was definitely real. It did not turn out the way that I wanted it to. So I went back to what I knew, which is just to braid it all going back. So I will try it at a later date, but you know what? We're learning together, and that's the name of the game. So I'm going to push through what I have right now. I will be using this hair today. This is the V.8.9.10. One pack is going to do it. It is in a 8-inch, 9-inch, and 10-inch. And it's supposed to come out with a V-shaped finish. It is in the rod set, and I got it in the color 1B. So I'm excited about that. But before we jump into the video, guys, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, as well as turn on your notifications so that you do not miss my next upload. And for everyone that is already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot say that enough. I appreciate all of your support. And with that being said, let's just jump right into the video.
Perfect.
Hair. I know I always say that I have a small head, so at this point right now I have only used the 10 inches of the hair. That's all I've used so far because the hair is so full. I've been splitting this maybe 5 to 6 times because I don't like for my hair to be so full that I keep popping my elastic band. So I'll turn around and let you see how far I've come. So with that being said, now I'm going to start working my way from the top and working back so that way I can gauge just how full it is, and then I'll just fill in the middle part as I see fit. I also did the knotless method on the side so that when I pull my hair up you won't see any knots. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off camera.
Perfect.
Look, so here's the front. As you can see, it's very, very full. Let's look at the side. It's the other side. And here's the back. It's very full. As I originally stated, you guys, one pack is supposed to complete this look. This is what that stock card or the card looks like. I used all of the 10 inches, and I probably used 5 pieces out of the 9 inches. I did not touch any of the 8 inches at all, and I have all of this left after doing my hair. So I did separate it quite a lot to get this look, because I did not want a lot of hair in my head. The curls are absolutely beautiful. When I was separating it, this is the average amount of shedding that I got. Here we go. One thing of hair, I probably, like I said, separated it about 5 or 6 times in order to, you know, get it done. I went very small in the front because I didn't want that to be really full. I think I'm covering everything. If I missed anything, make sure that you leave me a question down in the comment section. I will come back, maybe, don't hold me to it, I'll try to come back to do a final review on this hair and let you know how it held up, or maybe even try to style it. I'm not 100% for sure. As I did state in the beginning of the video, I did not like my braid pattern at all. So I did go in with the topic, which I picked up at Sally's, and I just filled in the open spaces that I did not like. I did go in with some foaming setting lotion to get some of the frizz out, and that was just from the separation of separating the hair. Other than that, that's pretty much all that I've done so far, you guys. If you have not, again, already subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you take and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you do not miss my next upload. And until the next time, bye guys.